On the Zenith. Dates suggesting on the inside 12th week of 1978. Getting my spray nozzle here and gonna blow some of the junk out of it. Gonna give it a blow job. So, where can I set this? Bypass power switch, nothing. Still 0 watts, no power consumption. So now I'm going to pull the fuse and check that. Looks good on the inside. Fuse holder looks like crap. Might be a problem. Power cord could be open. Power switch could be bad. There's a lot of possibilities here. But right now we're going to check the fusel and get my meter. I do not believe this has a power breaker in it. There it is. So let me check the fuse, and I'll check the power switch, and then I'll check the power cord. I'm leaning toward, what the hell is that? Let me check the stuff now. Fuse right open. So is it really as simple as just a blown fuse or a disintegrated fuse? So what was this? This was a... we'll put something in there. Okay, I got a 4 amp slow blow fuzzle. Throw that in there. Okay, it's off. Turn it around. Power switch is off. Watt meter. I think I found out why it was retired. Would it blow? Do we need to get the Variac? What exploded? I think the Variac is needed. That probably should have been from the start. What exploded? We'll find out later. Variac time. Very well could be a B+ short. Where's the Variac? Oh, it's in there, isn't it? You're a Zenith. You should just work right out of the box. I mean, right out of the woods. What's into you? Thought this was Zenith handcrafted TV. Okay. We're at 0. Zero volts. Turn the set on. 4 watts. That's just the thing. Drop to 50. 4.6. .5. It's about 50 volts. 9.8, 8.3. 9.7, 9.6. Okay. It's full power. 10.7 watts. 0.1 amps. Something's not working. It never exploded. I think was a key part of this thing working. Okay. Now let's find out what exploded. Replace it or bypass it and bring it back up. I'm gonna see if that was tube filaments. I mean, not tube filaments, but CRT filaments. And power on. 10.1 watts. Refilamentating. No. Do not see any filaments. So now we have to find out what exploded. And I'm very leaning towards the capacitor. But which capacitor? I think this calls for an investigation. We got two boards slide out. Three boards that slide out. This one, these, it's all plug and play. So it all just unplugs, I think. But you gotta bend these back.
What you doing there, little?
Yes. That's exactly how it works. And these are dirty. That might be one problem right there. Another problem is getting them back. There we go. Okay, I found the blown up capacitor all the way back there. And I think we're going to end up having to pull this whole board out and just clean it and kind of see if it'll even work. So that's going to be for another video. Other words. This is a Magnavox I just pulled out. It's from 1966. It's all solid state. It's got a little 12-inch black and white. This thing is disintegrating. I don't know if this is savable. Probably not. But I will mess with it. It's a little like a Heath kit, the way it's built. With all the circuit board kind of things going on, but it needs some help, so do a video on that. Trying to get the Magnavox going. It's obviously going to need a new CRT. Yeah, we'll mess with this for now. Think it needs to be brought back to life. 2A, 4K. Oh, it's all of them are labeled. Oh, that's nice. Thank you, Zenith. So this is really, I think this really is a CC2. That would be very interesting if it really is. Yeah, I need to wire wheel all these. Get familiar with the set. Try to get a schematic on it. I doubt I'll find one, though. I don't know where the ground is. Oh, it's connected here. So is the video board grounded? It says video module, some modules only. Well, this is probably the video module over here. And I'll pull all these out and service them individually. But save this for a little later today. Got some other stuff to do. Thanks for watching.